Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Mexc to Mexc exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Mexc application. Once you have logged into your Mexc application, after that you just need to simply tap on the wallet section at the bottom right corner, and here you will find withdraw button at the middle of your screen, so simply tap on this withdraw. From this list of currencies, in the search bar, search for USDT and select this USDT tether. Here you will need to simply select MEXC transfer, which means we are transferring our USDT from one MEXC account to another MEXC account without any fees. In this method, we will use MEXC transfer. Once you landed on this page, here you will need to enter the MEXC UID. If you have another person UID and you want to transfer USDT to that MEXC account, so simply enter that particular UID. And once you enter your UID, here you will need to enter the quantity of USDT you want to transfer to that particular MEXC account from your MEXC account. After that, once you fill all these details, here you will need to simply click on this submit button at the bottom right corner. And once you click on this submit button, it will take up to 2 to 3 minutes to transfer your USDT from one MEXC account to another MEXC account without any fees. And that's how you can transfer USDT from MEXC to MEXC without any fees. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.